What's up, online shoppers? If you're looking for a way to add additional counter space outside when you're grilling, I've got something for you to consider. This is the NUUK Outdoor Grilling Cart. It was gifted to me by the brand, and it is absolutely an essential for outdoor grilling success. This is a way for me to add additional cook space outside, a place to put my big cutting board, a place to store all of my accessories. It's super convenient. It's got a really nice door here. And here's one of the cool things about the door. Now, because we're just getting started in the season, I don't have the paper towel roll on here because mice like paper towels, and over the winter time they're always looking for nesting stuff. But this is a great place to put your paper towel roll. It's also a great place for storing all of your barbecue tools. This is also a great place for you to store an extra propane bottle. I also want to show you that it's got this great pull-out drawer for your accessories. My deck space is definitely limited, so this is compact enough to actually fit on the deck. Built-in bottle opener, additional tray, place to hang all of your grill accessories. This here is awesome for hanging additional accessories, for putting tea towels, things like that. And this here, really nice big extra countertop. Now, as far as construction, it did take me about 40 minutes to put together because it comes in a box, all in pieces. So you will have to put some time into assembly, but I was really impressed with the quality of it. It's built with heavy gauge, powder coated steel tube legs, and it gives it a rugged yet easy to clean foundation. The stainless steel top here is 20 by 30, so you've got a lot of additional counter space to use outside, which is always at a premium when you're trying to cook outside. As well, the fact that it's on wheels that have locks means it's really easy to move. You can actually roll your counter space to wherever you want it on your deck. If you are looking for additional outside counter space for prep and cooking, if you want something that's weatherproof and built to withstand the outside conditions, this one here definitely does that. It's great for total organization because you've got a spot for drawers, bottle opener, tool hanging, towels, storage of propane bottles, even a place for your paper towels, and it's mobile and secure. I love how sturdy it is. I love the construction. This is absolutely overall a win, a great extra addition to my outdoor kitchen, super convenient, and a family favorite at my house.